We got a Warp 9 kickstand here. Real nice, very lightweight. It's internally sprung, so you don't have a spring up in the way. So this is what all the kit comes with. You got a little bracket, couple bolts, you got some Loctite. First step, you got to remove the frame guard. Not hit it. Alright. Alright, once you get the frame cover off, you got your little chain guide right here. Just gonna pop this off. Spacer goes on the back right here. Through here like this, so there's your stack up. There you go. So just get that started. Alright, so the Loctite they give you, look, unremovable, red Loctite. Now, on the install video, they tell you to go ahead and put this Loctite on there, and they also tell you, hey, if you're at the track, you don't want to run this, you can just, it's just 2 bolts, you can take it right off. That's true, but don't put the red Loctite if you want to take it off of the track. Alright, so it's in there nice and secure. It has a really strong spring, so it wants to stay up. And what's awesome is right here, take this little bolt out, and this can come out and extend, so you can adjust how much lean you want. That kickstand on, the only thing you gotta do, you gotta make a little notch out to give room for this. Pretty easy. So just get you a little mark it on the top and the bottom. Okay. Alright, let's see. There we go. So that's leaned over a little farther down the pipe. So I'll show you how to do the adjustment real quick. Alright, so there's a 10 mil on the back. Alright, so there you go. So there's your adjustments. It felt really low to me, but I also don't want it sticking out like crazy. So let's just see what that does from the top. Alright, let's see here. Much better. Alright, I think I'll leave it with that. So one thing that's cool I wanted to point out too is this little foot right here. It's got a nice little slant to it, so that way you get on even surfaces. So I'm pretty sure this is for real popular with supermotos. So if you're on the street a lot or flat ground, it's perfect. I'll probably cut that out because it's not an idiot. So tighten that up. Much better. Alright, I think I'll leave it with that. So much better. Follow for more dirt bike tips.